Hi friends, it's Yana here today and welcome to my channel. I am a sewist that loves to sew and I sew in the back of a camper right now. We're in the middle of a move and so this is where I am, but I don't let that stop me from sewing what I want to sew. Now I've been a little MIA because I work and live at a youth camp. And so the summers are a very busy season for us. So I've been so busy this summer. And then the last week I took off as vacation with our family. So we've been gone, but I'm ready to get back to sewing now. And I wanted to show you the first thing that I'm super excited about. I had made an order for some fabric because you all know I love fabric. And in a video, a couple of videos ago, I mentioned how, like without Joanne or anything like that, I have a hard time finding fabric. And I was trying to find some new fabric places to order fabric from. So I found a new place. This place is called Fashion Fabrics Club. And I went and ordered some fabric from them. And I was so excited to get my fabric in hand. It literally arrived today. This package got here today. And so I figured I want to start with a bang, and today we're going to open it together. Okay, so let me say this, that I ordered this fabric back in, when did I order it? 7/12. So I ordered this fabric about almost 2 weeks ago, and it just arrived today. But I will say that part of my order arrived like, I don't know, 3 days after I ordered it. And it was part of some of the stuff that I ordered. So I don't know. It does different shipments. I don't know if it's like this was already a pre-cut fabric and so they had it ready, so they just shipped it out. So I thought that was kind of neat. At first I was a little worried because I'm like, okay, did I do this order wrong and I'm only getting one fabric? But no, I guess all my fabrics are in here. So I'm really excited. I will say the prices were right on. Very good prices, a huge selection. So I was looking at my cart and I was up to like hundreds of dollars. And I'm like, okay, I cannot order all that. Delete. It was hard. It was a hard decision to get to ordering these fabrics. But we're here. I'm going to show you what I got. And I'm kind of going to give you a little bit of an idea of what I'm thinking with these fabrics. I'm not 100% sure. So drop your comments below and let me know what you think. And let me know what I should make with these fabrics if you get inspiration and you're like, wow, that would make a beautiful fill in the blank. All right, so let's go. First of all, I'll say I want to use my not so sharp scissors to open this package. But you know where they are. These ones are not so sharp. And I know these are good scissors, but I have not sharpened them. So I think I'm just going to use these because I don't know where my other ones are. I have my list here of fabrics ready so I can tell you what they are. And let's start with the one that arrived early. So this is a woven patchwork fabric. It looks like a patchwork. It's got all these beautiful little creatures on it. I think it's so pretty. It's called Desert Moon. What is it called? I think it is called Desert Moon. Yes, Desert Moon quilting woven fabric. And I know. What are you going to do with quilting cotton? You know what? All kinds of things. And I saw there was this dress that I seen an inspiration for, and I'll try to post a picture here. And I thought it was so cute. And I think that this would make a beautiful part of that dress. Now, I just have to find a blue fabric or a green fabric, a fabric that's going to match one of these colors to make the bodice part of it. But what do you think? Comment below and let me know. I think that will make a beautiful dress. I also thought this would make a beautiful set as well. I've made this set before. I'm going to show you a picture of the set I'm talking about. I think that would make a beautiful set as well. So what do you think? Should I make the dress or should I make the top and pants set? Comment below and let me know. So that is what I was thinking with this fabric. I got, let me see. For this one, I got 4 yards because I thought it was super cute and I wanted to make a set or a dress. And it was $7.92 a yard. So that's a pretty good deal, right? So that was really cute. Okay, so that is that. And now we're going to actually open the bag. Maybe I can open it without scissors. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm already seeing the stuff. Okay. Here's my list of things. They sent me another list. It's the same one. That was shipment 1 of 2. My clips to the side. I opened a new can of clips because I was running out. My clips are old and were breaking easily. Okay, so we're going to start with this one right here. Okay, it is a beautiful lightweight woven. This is the perfect lightweight woven weight. Oh my gosh, this is so lightweight and so beautiful. Look at the colors on it. This is, I think this is the, no, it's not. It might be the white, red, multi-cotton, floral, pointed voile. Anyway, what I'll do, since I'm not remembering, I'm going to look up the order and put the names underneath every one of these fabrics. You've probably seen it right now and you're like, I see it. Okay, so that's what I'll do because I can't pronounce these words and I can't be 100% sure at the top of my head right now. But look at how beautiful, like the colors are so nice and bright, and the white, it's so pretty. Yeah, I think it is that one because it's a, I don't know, like, this is a beautiful weight. I'm going to hang it like this so you can kind of see what the weight is. Yeah, that's gorgeous. This is more of actual apparel fabric, apparel woven, because if I look at this one again, now I love this, it's beautiful, but it is a heavier cotton. So it flows really nicely as well. It's going to be good, but it keeps more of its shape because it's a little bit more structure. Also, another reason why I order more of this is because it's a directional print. So you have to make sure that you cut things going the right way. So that's another reason why you want to order a little bit more of it. Okay, so the next is this one. This is such beautiful color. This is a knit. I know that this is going to be a scuba. It's a ivory and pink multi-floral scuba knit. And here is this beautiful print, beautiful stretch, and it is not see-through. It's a little bit of a heavier fabric. Y'all, I have no idea what I'm going to make with this, but I just saw it and I thought it was gorgeous. I'm thinking this would make like a beautiful, beautiful dress. And I've made a little bit of I made a sweetheart, I think it's called, dress before. I'll try to find a picture and post it here. And I think this would make a beautiful, that dress, that pattern. Let me know what you think. I think this is so gorgeous. This would make like, I don't know. This is beautiful. A dress, special occasion dress. So pretty. Let me know if you have any ideas of what you think I should make with it. But here's the stretch again. And it doesn't distort the flower when you're stretching it, which is really nice. Sometimes when you do that, you can see the white behind it and it doesn't look so great. This looks really, really good. Making more of a mess. Okay, this one I was super excited about. I love these colors. This is the wrong side, so I'm going to show you the right side. Look at the colors on this fabric. There is something about like a neon that just makes me so happy. And as soon as I saw this fabric, I'm like, I need it. This is so me. This is going to make me so happy. This is a blue, white, no. A blue neon pink poly stretch floral print ITY jersey knit fabric. Whoa, that was I hope that all fits out there. It is so bright and I love that. So ITY is a very, very flowy knit fabric. It's got great stretch and recovery. I would say the recovery is not as amazing as some other things, but making a loose loose flowy dress with this is amazing. Also bottoms, like some flowy bottoms would be amazing with this. This fabric just drapes really, really, really nicely. Like, look at that. So I have no idea what I'm going to make with this. I was kind of thinking a dress, but also bottoms would be perfect with this. Like some like palazzo like pants would be really, really cute. Anyway, comment below and let me know what you think and what dress I should make with this. I do have one in mind and I don't know why. I guess I just thought because of the neon color and you can see it a lot. I'll post it here if I can find it. It's a dress I made a long time ago, which I love as well. But I have other ideas for it as well. So let me know, comment below what you think. Okay, this one I was really, really looking forward to. This color is amazing. I love the brightness of this red. It is so beautiful. So beautiful. And it is so soft. This right here is, whew, it just feels so nice. And I think this is another red, what? No, this is the red, yellow, multicolored rayon floral printed voile woven. I don't know how to say it, but this is the same type of fabric as this other one right here. The same, feels so soft. Y'all, if you want a woven light, very light woven dress for this heat, this is the fabric you need to get. I think I'm gonna go look and see what other, just knock the camera. I think I'm gonna go look and see what other versions of this fabric they have, because I have to highlight this. Like, I have to highlight this kind of fabric, because this is a great fabric for lightweight, you know, like those lightweight woven pants you want to make. I love linen, but sometimes linen can be a little bit of a pain. I think this is a nice alternative to the linen, because it's just so stinking soft and flowy. And how bright are these colors? Now I have not washed this. That is the first thing I do once I get new fabric, is to go put them in the wash. I'm going to do a quick wash to kind of settle the dyes in and all that stuff. And I will wash them separately, especially these bright ones, and then the white ones I'm going to wash a little separately, just so in case there's a little bleeding. But I want to know what this is going to do once I do wash it. But I think it's gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. I have no idea what I'm going to make with this, but I had to have it. And I don't know. I ordered, I think, 2.5 yards of this, but I think I should have ordered, no, I ordered 3. No. Yes. I ordered 3 because I thought it was gorgeous. So gorgeous. I love it. This is so good. I love it. All right. And then the last but not least is this one right here. I also thought it was going to be such a beautiful print. I think it's so cool. This is the blue, white, multi-poly Moroccan print jersey knit. This is a jersey knit, so it's got a really good stretch. It's not quite as heavy as a t-shirt knit, so it's more of like a lighter. If you know of like a lighter t-shirt, it kind of feels like a lighter t-shirt. I like jersey knit, but it really isn't my favorite because it does tend to sometimes stretch. So you need to make sure when you're working with this, and if you're making like a long dress or something like that, you want to add like some elastic, clear elastic or something like that for stability, so it's not going to droop on you. So I would add it on the shoulders, I would add it on the waist, I would add it at different places so it keeps that stability. I will say this is not my favorite feeling fabric. Like I said, it's more of a t-shirt, but this will make a really comfortable and casual dress, because it's going to be like really like comfy and cool, not as hot as like, let's say, a double brush poly or something like that. So if you're looking for a fabric that's going to be more like breathable, a little bit more soft, this is a great fabric for you. And it was only $4.96 a yard. So that's a pretty good deal, right? So I was like, yeah. And then if you get, I think it's like over $100. So I got just at 100. You get free shipping. So it was worth it to me. But this was great. Now, all of these are my fabrics. I got these all from, what was it again? The name, Fashion Fabrics Club. I've never ordered from them before, but it made me really happy. All these prints were really nice. And yeah, comment below and let me know which one was your favorite fabric. And if you have any ideas of what you want me to sew, let me know. I do have some other things on the docket that I want to sew up for you. I'm super excited about. So make sure if you haven't subscribed, comment, like, share, subscribe so you don't ever miss any of my tutorials. I'm back. So I will be posting more videos here coming up. I have some things that I want to sew up already that I had left behind. I have some other fabric to show you. So maybe I'll do a quick video on the other fabric that I ordered that is sitting on my sewing area that I want to sew up as well. But this is this shipment and it's beautiful and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.